Hello. Sometimes as a Linux or Unix administrator, you like to know what's the speed of my hard drive. In order to do that one, basically your friend is, the command is hdparm, which is this command. So you just basically type in what is hdparm, and then it says that it gets or sets the SATA or ID device parameters. So in order to know that one, you need also to know what is my type of devices. So if I'm just putting the regular expression A through Z, it is revealing that this SDA and SDB are two devices that are disk, and then you can see the B on the first column as a block device. So I'm going to just do hdparm -t for transfer rate, and then I'm going to do on the SDA first. And you can see that it is doing the command, and it says the rate that it is there. For the first one was 163.85 megabyte per second, and then the second one is 175, a little bit faster. So you can also get the verbose option here if you just type in --verbose on the option that you do here. And then you can also, and since you know your disk, for example, let me clear my screen here. Remember, I did this command to just get the list of the devices that I have here, dev SDA. I can also do fdisk-l dev SDA and then get the size of that one. You can see the size of it is 931 gig. And then similarly, I can do for SDB, the size of that one. So what is the size is telling me if I just clear my screen and only do the first one, SDA, and then I just say, okay, I have this one. If I want to read a little bit halfway through the disk, and then at certain offset and find out the speed of the disk, then I could do this command like fdisk-l, and then not fdisk, sorry, hdparm -t for transfer, and then dash offset, and then type in the offset that I want to do. Let's say I want to see it at the offset 500 gig, and then this dev SDA is going to tell me that basically at that offset this information is there at offset 500 gigabyte. And you can also add the --verbose here, --verbose again. --verbose is just an option that you can just reveal more information to read from that offset. And you're not only tied to that offset, you can read at any offset, like at offset 5. You can just do the same thing, and it tells you that it is set at offset 5, and because of that argument. In addition, if you just are interested to know, instead of once you do the hdparm -t for transfer, and then say dev/sda, at this time you're just reading it, the speed of the disk that is read, because it's the raw device is written hdparm is written writing the information to the raw device. If you just are actually looking at the actual performance of your SDA drive, it's a little bit slower than the raw device. So you could do a --direct here, and then the --direct, notice that it is adding this O_direct. So it is showing you that optional direct is reading directly from the hard disk. So you can just get that information. Similarly, you can do for SDB. And then you can get that information here. Since I covered a little bit of fdisk, I'm going to also do a fdisk here -l for, if I just don't know the name of the devices, I could have done this also, and dev, and then 5 more to just see all the devices that are available. And then I could have done grep for it, like say grep -i is D for SDA and SDB, and all the devices are here. So clearing the screen, say fdisk -l dev/SDA, SDA, you can see that all the partition on the device that are there, you could just get that information as well. And if you use the fdisk utility to just get into the dev SDA, for example, you could just see the command lines here, but be very careful not to write anything, because these are the devices that are already up and running on your system. And if you have to create a new raw device, then you have to have a space on the the disk that you can allocate and then write to it, and then so on, and then create the file system based on the file system that you want to do it, whether it's extended for or better file system or XFS. Those are the options that you have, but please make sure that you have backup of all the work that you do, and whenever you're working on the disk, especially with fdisk writing to the disk. So you can see that -m option here give you all the options. So like L will show you all the format of the disk that you can create disk partition. So like here, if I just do a P for print on this device, it just says that I already have SDA, SDB, and SD3. So if I just say new for creating a new one, it just says all partition primary is in use now. That means I'm not able to write anything, create a SDA3. So, and that is what I was saying earlier. If you have allocated all the device on SDA3 to just use the full disk, you cannot do a SDA4 there. So I'm going to quit out of this one. And then now we're back to the same thing. Dev/SDA is not like updated anything. fdisk-l, and then sorry, fdisk, I missed the S there, -l dev/SDA, and then that tells you. Similarly for B. Okay, and there's other commands I will show you, but I'm going to stop at this time here, because each one of them I want to teach you a small kind of session, so you could learn something out of every video that I train. And thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to MyWebUniversity free educational videos for videos like this, and don't forget to like and make comments, and then also subscribe to our channel if you have not done so yet. Take care. Bye-bye.